Matt Day here with Parsons Graham and Day. Had an interesting issue come through. I wanted to take a second to talk about it. Parties had separated. One party was still residing in the marital residence, and then the other party entered the marital residence. Problems ensued. Won't go into details. So the question is, can you just re-enter if you've separated and you've been the one to leave? It's an interesting question. If the divorce has been filed, you got the automatic temporary injunction telling you not to harass, stalk, molest, bother, right? You have also practical considerations. If you do that, you face the chance of accusations being made, a protective order being filed, things of that nature. Good rule of thumb would be, if you're going to leave the residence, you have then left the residence, that is their at least temporary residence, and you need to respect that boundary unless you're invited into it, right? You got to be very careful in these situations. The situation that came in front of me now has a protective order aspect to it. You don't want to have to fight that, okay? If you're going through divorce, it's highly emotional, all right? It's going to be one of the biggest things that you go through in your life. It's going to be a big deal in the moment. We don't want to add complications to it. We want to subtract complications. We don't want to add problems. We want to subtract problems. We want to find solutions, all right? And just busting in, walking through into what was formerly your abode is not advisable. If you're going through a situation like this, you're going through a divorce, give us a call today. We can help you, give you advice, get you represented, and hopefully get your case out of the court system and you on down the road with the rest of your life. Give us a call, 918-307-1529. The purpose of this video is to be informative and not to provide legal advice. For legal advice, call a law firm and speak to an attorney about your particular case. None of the information provided in here is meant to establish the attorney-client relationship between Parsons Graham and Day and anyone watching this video.